What's going on? Sean here, back at it again. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 style sins that you do not want to commit.
Nerf this!
So number 1 is to accessorize. A lot of young men don't like to accessorize by wearing a nice watch, a nice looking bracelet, a nice belt, a hat, some sunglasses. It all depends on the setting that you're going out in. Now, obviously you have to be a good judge of level of formality is going to be at the event you're going to, but don't be afraid to wear some rings, a bracelet, a watch. Chicks dig that, guys. So definitely accessorize. So number 2 piggybacks off of number 1, which is wearing sunglasses at night. So a lot of guys like to wear some shades, myself included. I have a few nice pairs that I like to rock. That being said, if it's getting dark out, I don't wear them. Now, did I do this in the past? Yes, but thankfully I've had people tell me like, why are you wearing sunglasses at night, man? Make sure you're not wearing sunglasses at night, you just look like a creep. Number 3 is wearing bling bling jeans, and I got that term from Alpha M. They're jeans with all the bedazzled and bright shiny designs on the butt. You know the ones I'm talking about. True Religion. Don't be wearing those, guys. They're not in style. They're so 2000s. They just look bad. They make you look like you're over the top, and it's just not needed. It's just not a good look. Number 4, we are all guilty of, and still probably will be guilty of after this video. But if you want to look stylish, you cannot be wearing worn out clothes. Now that could mean a couple of things. It could mean wrinkled clothes, it could mean clothes that are 10 years old that are all faded, it could mean that they have holes in them. It's just not a good look, bro, and I know that you know that. Wearing stuff that's all faded out, worn, torn, is just not a good look. If you want to look stylish, you gotta have crisp, clean stuff. Make sure your stuff is ironed and looking nice. And number 5 is a huge sin that a lot of guys still do to this day, and I even am a victim of it myself, but I obviously try to keep on top of it. If you want to look stylish, make sure you're groomed, alright? When you're not groomed, you just look all disheveled. You don't look stylish. It's one thing to have a bushy beard. It's another thing to have an untamed bushy beard. Now, myself, I can't really rock the beard as soon as it gets too long. I have to keep it nice and short like this. Otherwise, it just looks bad. So make sure you're keeping your facial hair nice and clean, and I swear you will look stylish. So those are 5 style sins you're probably making, and if you're not, good for you. There's more that people commit that are not on this list, but I thank you so much for watching. I thank you for your support. Again, my name is Sean, and each and every video I do try to make you the best version of you. Catch you next time. Signing off.